Hi, I'm Bipasha. Well, you guys probably figured that out. You have seen me in the movies and you recognize me. You know of me. But that doesn't necessarily mean you know me. What is the difference? Well, you know of my box office hits. But do you know my mantra to success? You know the brands I endorse. But I bet you don't know the causes I support. Call on this number and get to know me, the real Bipasha. You will also need to key in this unique ID. Oh, and don't log off. My webcam will stay on, so keep watching the space. Hey, great to hear from you. I've been busy shooting for my new exercise DVD, BB Love Yourself Fit and Fabulous You. If you want to know more about it, press 1. And if you want to know me better, press 2. Well, my DVD, BB Love Yourself Fit and Fabulous You, is a time-effective workout. It is a workout which has 2 levels, beginners and advanced. It comprises of 3 circuits. That is, starts off with BB Strength, which is for muscle toning, followed by BB Burn, that is the cardio routine, and it rounds up with a BB Ab Drill, that is abdominal exercises. So if you're doing all of this program with the correct diet, I can assure you that you're going to have fat loss and muscle toning for sure. Well, Fit and Fabulous You is a routine for 25 minutes, and you have to do the beginner's level for 30 days, master it, and then you can advance to the advanced level and do it for 30 more days. So all in all, it's a 60-day routine of workout, which you have to do diligently with great form. You have to be very regular with your form because you do not want any injuries and you want to maximize your results. So please be very careful when you are following this routine. I'm taking a break now, but you guys don't go away. Press 2 to know more about me. I firmly believe in the philosophy Love Yourself. Inner strength coupled with strong relationships and healthy habits make you a better person. If your personality, your appearance, and your health are good, then every aspect of your life will be fantastic. Press 1 to learn how to love yourself. Press 2 to find out how you could be a style icon. Press 3 to know the real me. I'm a very private person, but here I will let you into many a secret. It's not about being vain, it's not about being obsessive about yourself. What it is that you have to start loving yourself, accepting everything about yourself, and actually creating an inner confidence which helps you achieve everything in life, whether it is your goal, whether you want to be someone in your career, or whether you want to love others better. If you love yourself, you can do all of it better. Exercise to me is as important as the food we eat or the air we breathe. It is a must in my life because it reduces anxiety, depression, stress, and also there is a big bonus to it. You always look good when you are exercising. So there are many positives of exercising. I believe that you should do the kind of exercise which is fun, which is motivating, and it should not feel very like it's like a burden on you. Either play a sport or go swimming or go for a jog or go to a gym or do my routine Fit and Fabulous You. I think what's important is that we realize that exercising is the need of the hour and it is going to help you in a big way. My exercise routine Fit and Fabulous You is for women who are multitasking housewives, women who are busy, who have like an independent career of their own and they can't take out much time from their busy lives. It's for college students who can't afford to go to expensive gyms. It's for those women also who are shy to go to a gym in a public place and start working out. So it is for a lot of people, and all you have to do is give 25 minutes, have an ab mat, light weights, and that's it. That's all you need for Fit and Fabulous workout. Looking your best demands careful attention to personal grooming and the clothes that you wear. Good grooming starts even before you can even put your clothes on. Personal grooming means taking care of your hair, skin, face, hands, and your body. It means taking care of yourself, and that is important. Nobody is perfect, but the trick lies in disguising your flaws and enhancing your best features. Get to know your body type and select a clothing style that will flatter your form. The good thing about all these habits is that they're all habits and they can be learned. After all, habits are the result of actions done repeatedly. Make good grooming a habit. Select clothes and accessories that bring out the best features in you. Put your best foot forward. Work on your confidence and bingo, you are your own style icon. It takes a bit of an effort to look good, and not everyone is born gorgeous. Believe it or not, I was short and fat once. To hear my story, press 3. I was a short, dark and round kid. Nobody thought I was pretty at all. As a kid, I was great in school. I always used to come first. I studied in a school called Bharati Vidya Bhavan in Kolkata. I used to be the prefect, and then later on I became the head girl of the school. Somewhere along the way, I shot up in height and started to look better. Modeling used to be great fun because I was young and I got to travel all around the world, earn a lot of money, become independent. But with time, I got a little tired. I got a little stagnated in that profession because for me, I was looking pretty all the time and doing the catwalks and doing a couple of print ads and fashion shoots. But there was a kind of stagnation setting up. And I think everybody goes through crossroads in their lives where you want to do something else in life and you want your life to be a little more exciting. And that's when films happened to me. I never wanted to be an actor. And it was nice that the offer came my way and I thought it would be something new to do. And I signed my first film, Ajnabi. Well, once acting started, I think I was one of the most unconventional actors in those times because there was this whole thing that the actress has to look like the girl next door, fair skin, light-eyed. And here I was, this tall, lanky, dark girl trying to be an actor. And but I have to say, I carved my own niche at that time, being different. The most funniest thing that I ever found about Hindi film industry, that is Bollywood, was the Naach Gana, basically the dancing and lip syncing. I used to find it absolutely funny when I was asked to do it in the middle of the roads in foreign locations. It used to be at times embarrassing because people of different nationalities would be staring at me and wondering what I'm trying to do. But over the years, I've pretty much understood that the beauty of Indian cinema has got lots to do with the music and the dance that we show in our films and the kind of happiness we give our audiences through that as a medium. I think I have begun to respect that. And from a person who had no training as a dancer in today's point of time, I am known as one of the dancing actors. So it's quite a journey from not understanding what Bollywood dancing was all about to now. Well, what else can I tell you about me? My favorite color is red, pink, black and white. Actually, I'm a little confused at this point of time, but these are all the colors that I like. My favorite city is the dream destination, Paris, which definitely is an epitome of romance. Anybody who goes there, please go and fall in love. Well, if I'm not watching movies, I see a lot of television. My favorite show on television is So You Think You Can Dance. It is the most beautiful dance show ever. You must watch it. I also like to watch Sex and the City, Entourage. I have seen a little bit of Bigg Boss, I have to say that, and got addicted to it a bit. So I do like watching TV a lot. Well, I think laughter is the best medicine, so I like to watch a lot of comedies. But my all-time favorite comedy film is Jaane Bhi Do Yaaro. I like drama also, and my most favorite is The Godfather. And out of all my films that I've done, though I have a special place for all of them, I think my most favorite film is Corporate. And I can go on and on. Actually, I can discuss the whole day with you, but I have to go for my shoot. And it was really nice catching up with you guys today. Hope to see you again. See you guys.